Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into YouTube Music. If you want to sign into a YouTube Music account, then follow along till the end. First of all, open your YouTube Music application on your device. The first welcome screen will look like this. Go ahead and tap on the sign in button from the bottom, and then you can go ahead and choose one of your accounts. If you don't have any accounts yet, you will then need to go ahead and sign in with your Google account's credential. Go ahead and type down your email or phone number associated with one of your Google accounts. Once you are done typing it down, click Next. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password for your account. Go ahead and type it down. If you don't remember your password, you can reset one by tapping on the Forgot Password link and following through the prompts. After typing down your password, click on Next. And just like that, you have successfully signed in to your YouTube Music account. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can also select a plan like YouTube Music Free or Premium Family. Once logged in, you'll have full access to features like personalized recommendations, playlists, and much more. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.